Christmas.
It's Christmas. Are you ready? Yeah? Okay. Here we go. There you go, Timmy. There you go. What's in there? Oh, he goes for the big bone.
Oh, dinosaur bone. Dinosaur bone.
Yay!
He's like,
what else is in there, Timmy?
There's plastic on it.
There's other stuff too, you know. Not as cool as your giant dinosaur bone, huh?
Here, Mom will help you take the plastic off, Timmy.
Oh, he's gonna do it himself.
Oh, he's so cute.
But Timmy, there's other cool things that Santa got you too.
Tim, here.
Come here, Tim. Come on. Come on, Timmy. What else is in there? Yeah.
Look at his tail.
I was just about to say the same thing.
You're a monster. Here, take a still picture.
Up to the table, bud. Put your paws on it and pull, Timmy. Good job, Timmy. You are smart.
Oh, it's tea time.
He's trying so hard.
Timmy, let me help you.
Here, Tim. Go on. Get in there. There you go.
Oh, look
Those
at
are
that. Cookies. Yay.
What else is in there? Oh, there's some good stuff in there, buddy. Keep rolling.
Yeah, just
Keep
bump it
going.
out.
Keep going. He's getting really smart.